Hello guys and girls, in this video we're going to be looking at this beautiful necklace. I picked this up at the thrift store. Again, it was in a small town, private thrift store. That's where I picked up another item, the spoon, in a previous video, or in the future video you'll see either or, because they're not coming out like together. I'm releasing them when I have time, trying to put them all together. Anyway, so this thing is silver. It is stamped 925. Now I did not test this, it's just I took it purely based on the hallmarks there, and I'll show them to you in a second. So this is how it's looking. It's beautiful, nice little piece. I don't know, you can say that it's a cross, and I don't believe this is some kind of a religious cross, or maybe it is, depending on what you believe or what you don't believe. So we have 925 just right there, and then I think we have 925. I think there's something just right there. I'm not sure if that's 925 or not. I'm gonna have to take a look. Let me just check. It says I can't read what it says. It's impossible to read. I don't know what it says. So there's something just right there. It says something, but I'm not able to determine what it says. And then we have something on this side here. So we have 925. No, we have something written just right there, and then we have something written there, and we have something on this side and something on that side. Oh my god, so many writings. Let's take a look what it all says. I'm gonna read one side at a time. So this one is saying 925 Italy. On the opposite side it is saying FNA, so Foxtrot November Alpha. And then on the opposite side it says again Italy 925, and on the opposite side of that it says also FNA. And I'm just gonna try to read what it says on that little clasp that's holding it. It looks like it's too small, I just can't read it. Talking about this piece right here, it's impossible to read. I can't make it out what it says. If you're able to read that through the camera, please put it down in the comments and let me know what you think it says there. Alright guys, so let's take a closer look at this. I think this stone here, I'm not even sure if this is a stone. That's what it's looking like. If this is a stone and you know what stone it is, please let me know. That's what it is. I don't know what it is. It could be a piece of plastic in there. So if you're familiar, please let me know. Put it down in the comments what kind of stone this is. Alright, let's do a couple marks. I think we'll do maybe the cross itself. We'll do this piece here. We'll do the chain. And maybe we'll do the clasp here. Alright, let's start with this one side here, and this little hook that's holding the chain and clasp together. First mark. Okay, so it kind of feels very soft, coming off very easily. First mark just right there. It's kind of awkward to hold, so I'm not going to be making big marks. Alright, let's see. Let's do maybe this side here. So we're going to do the clasp itself, the locking mechanism here. Second mark just right there. Okay, let's do the chain. Usually the way I do it, I just wrap it around my finger like that. We'll apply some pressure here. Got our mark there from the chain. Now let's do the piece that's holding the cross, this bigger piece here. Okay, so all of this metal feels very, very nice and soft. So I would assume that all of this is silver, sterling, like it says it is. Now let's do the bottom of the cross here. It's just the metal is too soft not to be silver. I mean, there are some other soft metals for sure. But given the fact that how it looks and how soft it is, I'm giving it a silver, basically 100%, even before the testing. So let's take a look. First drop. Second drop, third drop, fourth, and fifth. Alright, so this is kind of interesting. It looks like on the first one, let's take a look. Almost no silver. Second one, almost no silver. Third one, some silver. Fourth one, some silver, and fifth one, the most. I think it just may be me not applying enough force to get off more metal off of it. but I would give it a silver. Yeah, so we do have a little bit of silver there. I do see a bit. Second one, we have a bit more. Third one, definitely have more. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think this is real? Do you think this is fake? What are you guys thinking? Because these two are weird. Chain is kind of 50-50, and these two are also 50-50. Could be fake. Could be fake. Well, thanks for watching. I think for the future videos I probably should be using my control piece just so we can compare the actual verified 9 to 5 with potential testing pieces. Put it down in the comments. Do you think it's a good idea? Should we do that? Just so we can get more consistency in our results and we have something to compare it to. Thanks for watching. Talk to you in the next one.